My name is Jason Da Silva. I'm the controller for J.H. Lynch & Sons, heavy civil contractor in the Southern New England region. Our implementation was a bumpy road. We were coming in, the legacy system being a IBM green screen system built in-house in the 1980s. We had people deep-rooted in the system. Information was hard to get and hard to import. I was new to the company at the time. I would say we had some challenges that most people don't face, but the CGC team was there to help us and guide us through the process and see it through. Being in the Southern New England region, we operate in 3 states, being Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut, as well as 6 different labor unions. Our payroll structure requires complex reporting requirements, as well as a pay rate structure heavily dependent on agility to receive information based on where crews are working, what machine they're operating may dictate which pay rate they'll receive, which benefits, so on and so forth. Certified payrolls that need to be adaptable to certain state jurisdictions. CGC's been there the whole time. They tailored a system to mirror our agility in the marketplace and our mobility, within the Southern New England region. Our implementation specialist set us up with template jobs, utilizing the union class master, dictating different pay rates for different union classes based on the stipulations, be it state, union, or even as granular a level as which piece of machinery a person was operating at that time. Currently, we have over 100 office staff with an additional 150 field personnel, and that being our ops people, out in the trenches. We run our payroll weekly. Given the differentiation between our union payroll, being our field guys, and our administrative payroll, we do run separate payrolls for each group, of which a tailored solution was presented and offered, for each grouping. One of the things that we did during the onboarding process was full implementation of ACH direct deposits for our employee, a process which was fairly seamless in transition. Employees also like the ability to pull down their information in the self-service HRSS platform. Employees are provided a link for HRSS. The initial sign-in requires knowledge of their social security number and I believe their first and last name as spelled in the system. Initial login, they set up their password. From there they can log in, get current payroll data. As payroll's updated weekly, pay stubs can be found there. At the end of the year, W-2s, they can also update their emergency contact and other crucial information through the self-service portal. It relieves the burden from the accounting department or other administrative personnel who would have to kind of fetch this data for people. If someone applies for a mortgage, they can go in and pull the full archived history of W-2 and or weekly pay stub history. What I would recommend to others is take full advantage of the availability of information. The more information you can track in the system, the more you can mine out of it. The IDI system makes data on demand and available at a few clicks. If it doesn't exist, reach out. The CGC personnel are happy to jump on a call, put in a ticket through the ticketing system. They'll point you to the right direction. If an IDI exists, perhaps there's a view that's been saved down. That'll give you the information you need that another company has used. The availability of information within the IDI structure allows you to pull in custom fields. We've been on eCMS since September of 2021. We started the process onboarding, implementing September 21, went live April 1st, 2022. Of all the features the program offers, I would have to say I'm the biggest fan of the payroll functionality. Given our complex business operations, we operate in 3 states and several different unions. We have complex pay rate structures and complex equipment reporting. The ability to take in payroll data and equipment data from our sister software, from our project management software, HCSS, has allowed us in one process to gather both payroll data and equipment charge, utilization, or repair data in one streamlined process. As you would expect, this capability saves us a lot of time and headache.